Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be installing this new coolant flange. And if you guys have leaks on your guys' E90s or BMWs in general, for some reason they use this exact piece, but they do it in plastic. And so I don't know why they did that, but the one that I have in the BMW has caused a substantial leak and it's warped due to the heat of the engine, and so we're going to change this out. Guys, so for the first step you're going to take this out and just disconnect this from right here. It just has these little clips right here. Take it off, and then there's two bolts right up front here, and then this removes right off. Now for the next step, right here is where it's leaking, and so you got to take out these two 10mm bolts, and what's happening is that the bottom of that flange, it's turned out just a little bit because it's melted, and so these plastic parts where the bolts are, the pressure's just been kind of pushing it backwards like that, so now it's just like permanently bent that way. Okay guys, so I put some vice grips on there to kind of slow down the coolant. I just got done driving the car like an hour ago, so it's going to be super hot. So now we're going to just move this aside. These up, which are just 10mm. So we got that piece out. This is the old one. So let me see if I can... So this is the old piece. As you can see right there, it's all burnt and nasty. And so now we're going to put the metal one on, but yeah, as you can see, it's plastic. And so looking sideways, you can see it's bent.
Point on that car.
Right. And so this is the new billet piece. Okay guys, so we got this back on, and the downside is the bolt broke. So thanks to Mr. Wyatt, we were able to get this freaking bolt back out and get some new bolts put back in and get this all put back together. So now, since that's connected, we'll get this stuff put back on and we'll get it wiped down and then make sure to fill it up with coolant.